Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G-Shock GD-400. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button, which is our upper left button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we'll see our seconds start flashing. So we can actually zero our seconds with our forward button, which is our lower right button. To enter our next setting, we're going to press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings time off or on. Mode again will bring us to our next setting, which will allow us to choose our time zone with forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to set our hour. It's currently 2 p.m. where I live. Mode again will allow us to set our minute. Mode once more will allow us to choose between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to choose our year. Mode again to set our month. Mode again for our day. Mode again will allow us to choose our light duration, which is 1 or 3 seconds. And finally, mode will bring us to this flash, which is our flash alarm. I'm going to leave that on. And once we're done with all that, we can simply press adjust, and now our time will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider checking out the channel and subscribing. Thanks everyone.